Let me give you an example of compound interest. Let's say a bank is giving you 3.2% interest each year, and you're going to invest £632 for 9 years. So how much will you have at the end of the 9 years? So draw the diagram. Hang on. So your diagram should look something like this. Let's say 0, 0 here. 1. The original is 632. Well, at the end of after year 1, well, after year 1, you're going to get You're going to get 1.032. Okay, have a quick glance at this. This is your 3% level. Well, 3.2% is actually this. This is a decimal representation of 3.2%. Okay. Well, anyway, after year 1, you're going to get 632 times 1.032. So this figure here, whatever it is on your calculator, that will represent how much money you will have at the end of year 1. Now jump to year 2. Okay. Hang on. So after year 2 will look something like this. This will be your new original. Okay. Your new original will be 632 times 1.032. Okay. Let me just clear this this arrow up. Okay. Well, after year 2, after year 2, you're going to have a bit more interest. So 1.032. Well, this figure here will, you're going to get this times 1.032, and that will give you your new figure. And this new figure here will represent how much you will have at the end of year 2. So basically, if you get this, okay, times this, well, I'm just going to merge this with this bit here. So it's going to be 632 times 1.032 squared. Okay, because if you look at this, well, basically you're going to get this times another 1.032. So this is a neater way of writing it. Okay. Well, this is after year 2. Well, let's have a look after year 3. After year 3, it will look something like this. Hang on. This is your new original. Hang on. Let me move this. This will be your new original. Okay. So it will be 632 times 1.032 squared. And well, after year 3, you're going to get another 1.032. So this figure here will represent how much you will have at the end of year 3. So after year 3. Okay, so this figure here represents how much you will have at the end of year 3. So it will be this times this. So which will be 632 times 1.032 to the power of 3. Okay. Now let's just do the dot to take us to year 9. So dot, and just jump to year 9. Okay, because it follows the same pattern. So 0, 0, 1. It will be 632. Wait there. This will be year after year 9, because the question is saying how much we remember we're investing for 9 years. Okay, so hang on. So let's move this across. So after after year 9. So after year 9. Okay. So after year 9, our diagram will look something like this. Times 1.032. Well, hang on. If you look at year 3, after year 3, our original is 1 less than, can you see, to the power of 2 here, after year 3. So after year 3, this is to the power of 2. Well, after year 9, I'm going to say this is to the power of 8. Okay. Now, after year 9, we're going to get another 3.2%. So it's going to be this. Okay, so it will be, well, after year 9, we're going to have 632 times 1.032 to the power of 9. Okay, so this here is our answer. Okay, so all you have to do is punch this into your calculator, and then you're pretty much done. Okay, so yeah, maybe work out this figure and then times this thing, or do whatever you have to do. Just figure it out. Okay, so this thing here represents how much you will have after 9 years.